In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the internal battery in your Chevy Silverado key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do, and it will take you under 5 minutes from start to finish. The only things that you'll need to get it done are a regular flathead screwdriver and one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, or you're not sure where you can even find one, go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon, where you can find these particular batteries for just a few dollars. The first step to opening this thing up is just looking down on the bottom right of your device, right next to where the keyring attaches. You can see there is a little slot right along the seam in this plastic there, that little opening right there. You want to take your flathead screwdriver, insert it into that area, and just gently push it in until it's kind of stuck in there, and then go ahead and turn your flathead like a key just to start to open this thing up a little bit, and from here you can just pull it apart with your fingers. You can now set the back piece down, and the easiest thing to do from here is actually just pull out the little circuit board here. So gently lift that up so that we can pull the battery right out of this little metal part. There we go. You can pull that up. You could also push it up with your screwdriver if it feels a little bit stuck. And once you have it out, of course, dispose of the old battery. Grab your new CR2032 battery. And when you're putting your new battery in there, make sure that this positive side that has the plus sign on it is facing up. So just go ahead and slide that in there, positive side up. And now all we need to do is put it back together. So pick up the front of the device that has this rubber inside and just drop the circuit board in there, battery facing up. And now we can just set the back section of plastic on there and squeeze it all back together. And with that, you changed your own battery and you are good to go. So I hope you found this helpful. If you did, you can let me know down in the comment section, or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back to this channel. We've got you covered with tutorials for the devices from almost every make or model out there. And you can also get that information directly over at our website, fobbattery.com.